Did you know your blood type could secretly give you superpowers? It's true. AB, and O blood types don't just determine who can donate to whom. They carry hidden strengths that influence your body, your mind, and even how you navigate the world. Some blood types give you immune advantages. Others affect how you handle stress, and a few may even have rare protective traits that doctors quietly pay attention to. By the end of this video, you'll discover the fascinating abilities linked to each blood type, some surprising facts you never knew, and maybe a twist about your own blood type that will make you see yourself in a whole new light. Let's start with type A. People with a blood often have strong immune responses, which helps them fight off certain infections more effectively than other types. But that's not all. Type A individuals are often naturally disciplined and excel at focus and organization. Ever wondered why some people seem like natural planners? Always ahead of the game. Type A may be the secret behind it. There's a twist. While Type A's immune system is strong in some areas, it can be sensitive in others, making them prone to stress when pushed too hard. This sensitivity, however, also gives them a subtle superpower. Type A individuals are often highly intuitive and empathetic. They can sense moods in a room or predict outcomes in ways that feel almost uncanny. Their emotional awareness quietly shapes how they move through the world every day. Next, we have Type B. People with B blood are natural creative thinkers with an incredible talent for problem solving and innovation. Their blood type may also influence physical endurance. Type B individuals often adapt to different environments more easily and recover from physical stress faster than others. The real surprise is that their flexibility isn't only physical. Mentally, Type B people remain calm under pressure, which makes them excellent strategists in unpredictable situations. While some may describe them as stubborn or independent, this is actually part of their superpower. They can think differently, resist conventional pressures, and approach challenges with a unique perspective. Now, let's talk about Type AB, the rarest blood type. AB combines traits from both A and B, giving individuals a blend of creativity and discipline. What makes a B special is their enhanced emotional intelligence. People with a B blood often understand complex social dynamics and navigate tricky situations with ease. They can read people and situations in ways that others might miss, making them naturally perceptive and socially aware. B types also have health advantages. Some research suggests they may have a natural resistance to certain heart conditions, and in rare cases, their blood can provide extraordinary benefits in emergencies. It's a subtle, real-world superpower hidden in plain sight. Finally, we arrive at Type O, the universal donor. Beyond being essential in medical emergencies, Type O individuals often have high energy and remarkable stamina. They tend to thrive under pressure and may enjoy stronger cardiovascular health compared to other blood types. Type O's resilience goes beyond the physical. They often process stress differently, giving them a natural edge in high-stakes situations. Combined with leadership tendencies and a competitive drive, it's no surprise that some of the world's most influential people share this blood type. Their blood quietly shapes how they confront challenges and pursue success. So there you have it, the hidden superpowers of every blood type. Type A brings intuition and focus. Type B delivers creativity and adaptability. Type B shines with emotional intelligence. And Type O combines resilience with stamina. Your blood is more than just red liquid flowing through your veins. It's a secret superpower, quietly influencing who you are and how you experience the world. Which blood type has the ultimate advantage? That, my friends, is a mystery for another video. For now, think about your own blood type and the hidden strengths it may be giving you every day. The next time someone asks your blood type, remember, it could be giving you more power than you realize.